Hey guys, Ryan Steinelson here. Hope you're doing well. And I have two guys that are on the call. Let me add these guys to the stage. Hey, how's it going, Ryan?
Hi, Nathaniel.
If you have any questions, you can also text us at 619-304-5155. That will go to our artificial intelligence agent that is connected to Go High Level. So all the conversations that are had with that agent come right into our Go High Level platform to be able to follow up with, with anybody. Sal, are you okay with us creating an AI agent for your business?
Yeah, absolutely. I look forward to it.
Okay, so here's the login page for our DIY AI platform. And I'm going to go and say, don't have an account? Get started. So I'm going to create a brand new account for you, a free account. So it's, there's no cost. We pay for the cost of acquiring a new phone number, which we have to do in order to make it so that you can, call the number, text it, or use it on your website for chat. So Sal, okay. And then what company do you want to list it under?
Fruit Hunters.
Okay. If you guys are watching, this is how you would go and create a free account for yourself. And here, this video right here will show you how to get started on our software. So it'll take you through going through this entire process, if you're a newbie, but you go to, create free account, and we have a done for you service with my agency. So this is our DIY platform. We have a done for you service, through my agency that it's Accelerate Marketing. That is a white glove type, service. So this is your account. Here's your phone number. Okay. Now, if you wanted to call it, you can call it from here. You can send an SMS to it, and then you can just copy the number here at the top. Now, we're giving it a name up here, a label, Fruit Hunters AI. And then now here's where you actually create the prompt. Now, this is like what we call, when you're using ChatGPT, you create a prompt. You give it instructions. Same thing with this conversational AI. You're training it on what you want it to say to represent your business. So you want to keep it pretty open-ended. And so it says you are the business AI for Fruit Hunters. You are a representative for the business which answers questions based on the information provided and answers questions about fruit and growing fruit. Based on the information provided and learns about what I need. It's a pretty open-ended prompt, I would say, right? I mean, it's not very specific. So you can go in here and give it much more specificity. Is that okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. We've got two models that we can use. One is the core and the other is turbo. And you can see the difference down here. Core is recommended. Best choice for most use cases, reliable instructional following, full featured support, and fast. But Turbo is 3 times faster responses, but less reliable for complex tasks. Use only when speed is critical. So we got 2 different versions of the model. So you can choose which one works best for you. Okay. Do you have a calendar link for somebody to schedule an appointment with you, or do you want to use that?
I don't have one right now, but it can be set up.
Okay. Just know that the AI agent can send or text, rather, a calendar link if you have one for somebody to be able to schedule an appointment. You can have the AI agent wait for a greeting, or it can speak first, whatever you want. And this is the first sentence that you can have it say if you want it. Is there anything you want it to say in particular?
Yeah, it's something like, hi, thank you for calling Fruit Hunters. Let us know what we can help you with, or something along the line.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's kind of small on my screen. I'm trying to read it.
Oh, okay. But this is where I was saying you can upload files and also your website, any .pdf, txt file of any conversation that you have with somebody that would further help educate the AI agent on how it's supposed to communicate. Does that make sense?
Yeah. I'll pull up old conversations and then put them onto a Word file from my Gmail, or from my Outlook, rather.
Perfect. Look, you're an expert in this stuff, man. And I mean, Sal, and you've got an opportunity to really create something that's unique here, because you can brain dump your specific knowledge that you have, and you can give people access to this and really, create a lot of value. I mean, you can have people text it, they can go to your website and chat with it. I don't know if you have access to your website or not, but you can add this to it right now. You can add the AI agent to your website right now if you want to.
How do we go about doing that?
I thought you'd never ask. So look, so here we go. We can either do the in content or the floating. Now I'm going to show you the difference. So here's the in content. This is my company's website. So this is the in content agent right here. And you can change, all of this is customizable. So this is that first sentence that I was telling you about. And then this is the floating. You see this little button right here?
Yeah.
So this is the floating agent. And I would do both. But I mean, for now, you can just add the floating agent if you want. Let's chat with it.
Maybe ask it something like, "Oh, when are mangoes going to be in season? Like, when can I order mangoes?" and see what it has to say about that.
That's a good question. Look at that.
That's fun.
What other questions you got for it?
A lot of people ask me about like when an order is going to ship, especially like some people order pre-orders and then they get kind of antsy. They wait on the pre-order and they're kind of like wondering. So that would be something I could really give it like a good brain dump on.
Well, you got to customize it. But I mean, I'm not available to check order status or shipping dates. I'd recommend reaching out to Fruit Hunt. There you go.
But if I were to inform it how to answer those questions, then it would have more sauce to work with. I assume.
Oh no, you can customize it to say anything you want.
Nice.
There you go, man. So you've got an AI agent. Now, can you add this to your website now? Are you able to? Or
I have my website open.
Oh wow, let me see. Oh yeah, dude. Look at that. That's That's it. You're in. All right. So I'm going to call it really quick and see how it does.
Hello, thank you for calling Fruit Hunters. I am Saul's eye agent that can answer your questions about fruit and growing fruit. I can also transfer you to Sal at any time if you want me to as well.
Yeah, hey, so what's your name, by the way?
My name is Fruity. I'm the business AI. Nice to meet you.
Oh, that's freaking awesome, dude. So Fruity, can you grow mangoes in South Florida?
Yes, mangoes can be grown in South Florida. The climate is suitable for mango trees, and they're actually quite popular in that region.
What else can I grow in Florida, in South Florida, particularly Zone 10A?
Zone 10A in South Florida has a great climate for growing a variety of fruits, such as avocados, citrus trees, guavas, and papayas. Would you like more information on any of those specifically?
Yeah, can I grow dragon fruit in South Florida, Zone 10A?
Yes, dragon fruit can be grown in South Florida, Zone 10A. It's a great climate for it, and many people in the area have success with dragon fruit trees.
Are you able to ship seasonal fruit boxes?
That's a great question. I can check with Sal to see if we offer seasonal fruit boxes. But I think we might. We do have a lot of connections with local farmers and orchardists, so it's possible we could put together a box of fresh seasonal fruit for you.
Okay.
If you'd like to know more about our fruit boxes or any other services we offer, I can transfer you to Sal and he can give you more information.
Yeah, transfer me to Sal. Is it ringing?
Hey, Ryan.
Hey. Yeah, I wanted to learn about this Fruity AI agent. So, awesome, guys. Thank you. Let's talk soon. Let me know what. All right. Bye, guys. See ya. Bye.